Okay, here we go. Here's got the old beast out doing an Operation Santa run. This is a non-profit and my wife do. We did not start this, but we run it. People that started are passed away and we took it over, and so this is one of the donations we got. And this is one of our storage units. We give everything away. This is 100% non-profit. I do this out of my own time and everything, and people just give me anything and everything you could imagine. Those are big dividers, room dividers or whatever, and bicycles. Anything you imagine. If you find it at a yard sale, I have it. I have 3 storage units. There's this one. And then here. And these are about packed. I just running out of room. People give, and I can't give it away in 22 days fast enough. The first 22 days of December, we open up and we set out up in the Union Hall and give everything away. You can sign your kids up for new toys and a Christmas box. It's kind of a fun thing to do, but just thought I'd share that with you. I'll get to the other storage unit and I'll show you that one too. It's crazy. It's pretty. It's an all year round thing. You know, we give away coats, boots, hats, gloves, insulated snow pants, whatever it takes to get a little kid set up for winter time and for Christmas. All right. Okay, well, I didn't make it very far. That's what I got off the truck. What you see, not much. I'm just positive, though, that I can get it in. What do you think? Maybe not. Yeah, I might be at my limit. I think I'll call that good. And then I'll just stuff it in this one. Yeah, it'll fit, right? Wonder what they'd bid on this on Storage Wars or whatever the storage buyer guys are. It's the biggest yard sale you ever saw in your life, I'll tell you that. So I think I'm heading to the other storage unit. I really don't think I'm going to get that in. Yeah, I think these are full. Alright, it's Friday after Thanksgiving. We're starting to set up here at the Union Hall. I got some tables already set up. You hear that annoying heater over there that we're going to have to live with this year, or fix the squirrel cage, I guess. This will be our toy section. For here, here's the stage where we stage everything up, no pun intended. And just me and the wife today. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
And I'll get back at it, and I'll show you as it develops here. It's real empty now. We'll see what it's like in a couple days. Okay, this is what it looks like when we got it set up. This is our free yard sale that we give away every year. We've got clothes, little kids' clothes. This is just stuff that people donate their yard sales to me, and we set it up here and give it away. So it's just a little rundown of what the place looks like after we get it set up. It's a little bit of everything. There's Santa. He's usually normally standing outside, but we're closed right now, so This is what it looks like in our mess. Oh, come on, hun. Give him a big smile. Yep, she's the one that makes it all run. Makes it all work. So here, on the back side of this curtain, is all of our coats. Of course, you can see them. They're way back there. Boots and clothes and everything. This is kind of what our mess looks like. And I'll show you the toy room next. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of what the place looks like. This is a very old building from down on the river before they built the dam. I'll take you up here and show you these stairs that I will be going up and down 5,000 times. So this is what it looks like right now. I got some coats and stuff. We try to hook everybody up with a coat, pants. But here's what it looks like right now. It's a big empty hallway here. This is our storage. Goes from the corner here down to here. Let's get a key here and we'll open it up. Maybe if I can find the key. Alright. So here we go. This is Operation Santa. This is my non-profit that I run. Let's see. Oh, there's Santa in the dark. Let's get the light on. Okay. So here's my toy room. Here's the toy box. Santa's toy box right there. And this is all nothing but toys. Boxes and boxes of toys. My game table over there. Everything. And it will all come out here and be set out here. All along here. On tables that I haven't put up yet. And we will put up all the kids' toy boxes and stuff together. This is what it looks like now. And I'll show you what it looks like. There's my bicycles and skateboards and sleds and all that stuff back there. So I'll just give you a quick run and then I'll show you what it looks like here after it's somewhat set up. Alright, I'm going to give everybody a little insight on my Operation Santa Claus toy box. This is just before we start putting the boxes together to go out. This is stuff that just came in. Really not even sure what's here other than a whole bunch of little girls and boys' happiness. So this is just stuff that just came in. Look at Mr. Big Bear there. Yeah, everybody needs a great big bear. So anyway, I'll just give you a quick rundown or a quick look at what I do every December. I know everybody has their family things and their hobbies and everything. This is mine. Operation Santa of Kettle Falls. This is what I do year round as far as collect stuff up. I'm sure I'll get part of the video in here where you can see my storage units. This is my toy box. This is before we start putting anything together. Before anything starts going out the door. Collect, collect, collect. So here we go. And of course, you know, last year we did 298 children. So that's a lot of boxes. 139 plus boxes last year. And so this will get wiped out. It looks like a lot, but it is not. I got very high volume here, you know, a lot of stuff in, a lot of stuff out. So I just figure I'd give you a quick little rundown of what it looks like before we start putting stuff together. all of this stuff, except for what just showed up, like all this stuff here. It's in front, it isn't unwrapped yet. But all this stuff here pretty much came out of this room here. So here's all my family games, my puzzles, everything. It looks, like I said, it looks like a lot, but it isn't, because it'll all go out the door, and it'll all be boxed up and put back in my room here for next year, whatever's left over. But I just thought I'd give you a little rundown of what I do and the volume I do it at. It's huge, but you never have enough. No matter what, the need's always great. And so it just never stops, never ends, year round. Alright.